Hello everyone, myself Vidya Agre, MSc Information Technology Part 2 from DBZ College. Due to busy schedule and hectic lifestyles of every one of us, it is getting difficult for mothers to take care of their babies, especially in COVID days, because of online meetings and work from homes. Babies are not getting enough attention in spite their parents being home. So I have came with this system to take care of babies. Let's see functionalities. First is softly rock the cradle when baby starts crying. The cradle will move automatically when baby will stop crying. Second is if the baby didn't stop crying, simply notify the parents. The mother of baby will receive some notification about baby's crying. Third is if baby didn't stop crying, the system will play some entertaining music to soothe the baby. Fourth is if the baby wets bed, then mother of the baby will receive one notification about it. So she will go and check. Need of the system: when baby is less than 1 year old, especially if the mother of baby sacrifices her everything from waking up at morning to sleep at night, she have to take care of everything, every activity of the baby. If the mother's health will get affected because of all this work and all homeworks, then it will affect simultaneously to baby. So she needs to take some time to take care of her also. Finding the right child care and babysitter nowadays is a big deal. We listen some cases where babysitters gave Benadryls or any medicine to make the baby sleep, so that she don't have to take care of him, and a lot of cases like hitting the baby and all. So nowadays it is not good. Means a right choice to keep the baby as care center. Let's see the components we have used. First is Arduino UNO, that is second sound sensor to detect the baby's cry, servo motor to move the cradle. Fourth is moisture sensor to track the moisture of baby's bed, and SD card and SD card adapter to play the music, GSM module to send a notification, speaker to play the songs, and Arduino IDE software that is in that we have made the code. Let's see the working principle of sound sensor. The sound sensor will detect the sound of baby's cry and it will send the signals to Arduino. Then the servo motor will take action to rotate the cradle, and when the baby will not stop crying for 2 minutes, automatically the songs will play to entertain him, and simultaneously the GSM module will send message to baby's mother that baby is crying and he needs attention. Let's see the working of moisture sensor. Moisture sensor will detect the moisture in the bed of baby. If it is wet, then the GSM module will send a notification on smartphone of baby's mother that he wets the bed. Let's see the advantages. It is very helpful to parents to save their time and simultaneously work and take care of baby while working from home or doing any other activity. And it is also low cost, that we don't have to pay for such components that much, that where time is money. So we want to save time, then it is right choice to pay here. And it will also help to empower women. Means if the baby is the mother of baby is free, means she can save time, then she can invest that time to do her work and applications. It is helpful at homes and hospital system. Means we can use at home as a cradle to swing and play and music, and also we can use at hospitals to take care of lots of babies and all, means it will help there also. And we can also use it at baby care centers there. Okay. Future scope. In future we are hoping to add a camera so that if the mother is not home, she can track the baby's activity, and even if the baby is at baby care center, she can track the what the baby is doing or and all his activities. And we are also thinking to add some toys that will entertain the baby. Conclusion: the system is successfully working and taking inputs and acting according to it. Thank you. Now let's see the working. This sound sensor, when this sound sensor will detect the noise of babies crying, then cradle will move automatically. And if the baby didn't stop crying, we will receive a message on phone that baby is crying. Till that we will some entertaining songs will played. And if the baby wets bed, then also we will receive the message on phone about it. Received the message that baby is crying.
Okay. Okay, बोलो.
When baby will wet the bed, we will receive a notification that baby wets the bed. See. Attention, baby wets the bed.